Hey, it's late, guys.
Hey, update. Brandon hasn't gotten anything done. We're out 12 hours into
Maybe
this
if you
job.
weren't busy
Look at
shooting
that.
basketball.
Hey, just because I got bored of your Oh!
Hey,
I said it.
there ain't that much room over there.
Hey, listen, I'm not installing his downpipe when he gets it.
Oh, my downpipe, like I can't handle that? Brother. I installed my M54 downpipe solo dolo on the floor.
That's easier.
That's hard. Like
That ain't easier.
That's not easier.
Get them moved.
Dude, I can see the bottom of the turbo from underneath the car.
Hey, Brandon, give him an update.
Hey, man.
How long is it going to take you to do coils, though?
Hey, there might be women watching. You gotta address them as men and women.
Hey, guys.
Or boys and girls. We don't know.
Hello.
Alright.
Come on, man.
I'm staying.
I gotta bleep that shit out.
Yeah,
Brandon, what's the update?
I'm high off gas, that's what's the update.
Brandon's got the fuel rail off.
no progress in the van.
Stupid train. These are all clean like I showed. We just replaced PCV valve. By the way, if anyone's doing this on their speed, there's this little clip and you just need to get a flathead down in this little corner on each side. You guys will see it if you're doing this, and then you'll just push down on it, pop it out, and yeah, it should hopefully come out without breaking. But that's where we're at right now. Brandon's cleaning the injectors and stuff before he puts his new seals on, which I'll show you right here. I already told him. Look at those beauties. Alright guys, I'm over this install. I'm gonna head out. Oh my god.
It's too late for this.
Hey man. Watch the Speed6. Alright, so Brandon already got the can in, routing the hoses.
Yeah, this one goes to the intake manifold.
Looks super good. You hyped on it?
Yup. Yup. I'm hyped on it. It's not even my car.
What time is it?
1-ish. 1:30.
1:19. Wow.
Hey man, we're supposed to go to St. Louis.
Hey, we're getting it done, man.
We're burning the midnight oil.
Yeah, we're just grinding this out because then it's done and then you don't have to think about it.
Alright. I think the fuel rail is ready to go on.
Sick. Oh yeah, did you already put the things on? Oh damn.
Yeah, looks good. Those things look fresh.
Those look really good.
Looks fucking sick.
Look at those.
Take a break.
Alright, you take a break. We're gonna go test this out real quick and then we'll be right back.
Alright.
Rails going on.
Help me here.
Hey, we're screwed. Brandon tore the ring. He tore it.
Barely.
So it's over.
Get a close up.
This install is over. Hey, we're on day 2 of this bolt. I just bleeped myself. What's going on, Brandon? What happened last night? I think we explained it, but why don't you explain what happened and what we just did to fix this issue?
So the high pressure fuel line that goes into the fuel rail, the O-ring.
Yeah, where's she at? You already lose it? Dude, come
Screw
on.
that thing. Alright, well anyway.
Just show on
this
this
blue one.
Blue ring.
Anyway, that one tore just barely, like skimmed it off the edge, and so I don't know, I didn't feel safe using it, so we went to the parts car.
Yeah, that's why you get a parts car.
Unbolted it, chopped her off, and now I'm about to use that for that. So.
Yep, so we're gonna throw that on, put the fuel on, and then we'll come back
I'm gonna put a little.
at a later point
Oh, you got Vaseline.
and show you guys. I told you I don't have Vaseline. I don't randomly have Vaseline hanging around.
It's kind of weird, but okay.
Alright. Alright guys, so Jackson's here. And Brandon's done, right? You done? Brandon's almost done. And then we're gonna go, we're gonna rage this thing. Are you gonna rage it?
Nope.
We ain't raging her?
We got
Ew.
another insane Speed3 install. Insane.
What is it?
Dude, insane.
Alright, apparently we got another insane Speed3 install. So, alright. I'm going to sit down. I'll come back out when you're done, Brandon.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya. Brandon's parameter. It's pretty much done, and then we're gonna start her, and we're gonna go rip it. We're gonna go rip it hard. How hard, Jackson?
It's gonna bog. That's all that matters.
It's gonna get down. Hey, we getting this first start up?
Mm-hmm. We go to the front and listen, probably.
You gonna let it rip?
Yeah, somebody go to the front and watch the leaves.
Alright, you got the front? I'll get the back.
Hey, yell.
Hey, scream, bro. Oh. Yikes, Scoobs. She ain't happy.
Yo, honestly, I may need more gas. It's below E.
You kidding me?
We gotta get gas just to be safe.
This dude.
Yeah. Where's the pickup in the tank at, too? The cars are manual.
This dude, Jackson.
It might be pulling air.
Can you believe this dude would start this project with no gas?
Let's just go get gas.
Can you believe this dude?
I can't believe this, dude.
I can't believe it either.
I mean, I believe it. That's something I believe, so, you know.
Are you kidding me? Well, this is gonna have to for sure be a rock, paper, scissors over whose car is about to smell like gas.
It's not gonna be mine.
Not gonna be mine. We're about to rock, paper, scissors this. You ready?
Put it on the ground level so it'll pick up the gas. No, it's below E. It's pretty much empty.
You kidding me? Is this dude joking right now?
Just B-Dog things, you know?
Is he kidding?
Just B-Dog things. Yeah, but,
He had this all planned out, didn't he?
hmm?
He planned this out, didn't he?
Probably. B-Dog is prepared for everything.
What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say to people about this
I'm kind of
situation?
pissed. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, I'm fired up.
Like, I'm pretty upset.
Like, which speed is it gonna be that smells like gas?
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh! Looks like that speed.
Yeah, it's totally not biased at all.
That's looking like some rock, paper, scissors. Boy.
We would rock, paper,
Best of
scissors.
three
Shoot.
for who drives.
Shoot or not shoot?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright.
Yeah,
Now,
you ready?
start this.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go, baby! We taking the Speed 3, boy! Look at that thing!
Yup!
Look at that thing!
Yup! Oh, yup!
Welcome to my house, boy!
Alright, I need to test out the ship valve.
Yeah! Hey, I gotta lock up. I'll be out in a minute, bro.
Yeah, busy guy over there. Make sure was it off? Was my car off?
I don't know.
Alright, you unlock the door?
We're good.
What? I think it's fine. Alright, battery's dead. I'm stealing it from your speed. Alright, Austin, update.
This guy's filling up.
Filling her up.
Like that's gonna be
I don't know, dude, that car sounded pretty out of gas to me.
I know what he's like, oh, I'm only gonna put 2 gallons in. Come on.
Oh, dude, he knows it. Dude, I don't think it'll do it. Yeah, it'll do it. Might have to drop the car on the floor, though.
Get here, dude.
Dude, it's not stinking. What are you talking about? Windows down. Bruh. Of course. Dude, 93 only. That's speed quality. Now, dude!
Starting off strong.
Starting off real strong.
Dude!
Look at this. Bro. Look at this, dude. What is this? No, it's really gonna stick. This dude's done fuel everywhere. Alright.
Man, that shit stinks.
I got windows all the way down. Let's get some air in here.
We're back with the gas. Brandon spilled some.
I didn't spill any. The trash bag spilled fucking gas all over the gas station and then on my floor mats apparently.
Where'd he go, man? Let's see the damage here. He said 2 dots. I'm seeing a whole dot.
Big ass dot right there.
Oh man.
There's other stuff up
Smell it. Smell it.
I'm not gonna have gas.
Alright.
It's a legal activity. Well, they might.
Alright, we're gonna fill it up.
Gas legal? I don't know.
I don't know. I mean,
That was the
alright.
plan.
Either way, we're gonna fill this thing up and hopefully it starts. If not, then Brandon did something wrong.
Let it evaporate first.
Shit.
Alright, round 2. Let's go.
Any leaks, Jackson? I don't see anything.
I think we're good. Looked like a train chugging back here.
You're starting to pick up some steam.
Yeah, it sounded like it was going.
What's the weight? I think. I don't know. I mean, course for instructions.
Alright, this guy's doing what no man is ever supposed to do. Look at the instructions. What do you guys say about Jackson?
You need to pull away his man card.
Or his speed card.
Or his speed card.
Oh man.
That's Brandon back.
We'll be right back. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, we're back for round 3. Oh, almost.
Alright, that's where it said wait 30 seconds. We're probably out of gas because it didn't say that it wasn't enough.
Alright, we'll be back again. Thanks for tuning in.
All the way from.
Thanks for tuning in. We're back for round 4. Here we go. Like burnt walnut. Dude, it smells like burnt walnut. Like straight up.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna burn that stuff off for a while, but the injectors are definitely louder.
It worked.
Yeah, that smells like walnut.
It really does. Dude, the idle sounds so much better.
Look, wait, can
Oh,
you
yeah,
see it
look.
coming out?
Is that? No.
No way.
I don't know. It definitely smells like walnut.
I don't know, dude. That looks like.
No, I don't think it made it all the way through.
Oh, there we go. We got the classic Monster right there.
Yep, gonna leave marks all over my floor.
I'm gonna let it idle for a while.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Brandon's spilling things everywhere.
Come on, man.
Hey, I got
Whoa.
I got you.
I gotta move my speed.
Bro, I got you.
Oh,
We're good, man.
Noonshine.com. She's working, hasn't blown up yet. We're gonna go drive this thing around. Fingers crossed. Look, they're crossed. Ears crossed.
Cross.
I wonder if Brandon's are crossed.
Something else
Look
is
at
cross.
Look at Speed Gang. Damn. These things look good next to each other.
Nice.
Put her in reverse, Terry.
Nice.
Oh, dude.
Dude, the fucking thread tape.
That was my last,
Brandon,
dude. That was my last
That was
roll.
the last, dude.
Are you,
Brandon, that was all of our thread tape.
dude? Oh, dude, look at the floor. Oh,
Dude, I'll clean it up. Chill out, alright?
it literally looks like we let fireworks off in here, and then put walnut on top of it.
We let a cow live in here for a little
All
bit.
right, let's go drive this thing.
Hold on, let me get my water.
Sounding real good. You know what time it is, Jackson? Because I sure do.
It's time.
It's time. It's time to grab a gear,
And bog.
disappear.
Hey man, it's bogging time. Don't forget.
Oh, speed.
Dude, that breeze feels nice right now.
That feels real
That
nice.
is-
He says it feels better at idle.
Starts bogging. Damn, look at this new Mazda. Look at that color.
Oof, what a color.
Nice.
Brand, what color is that?
I have no clue.
You're supposed to be Mazda
Pretty sure it's Soul
God.
Red Metallic.
Oh, sounds like we got a Mazda God back
That
here.
big Mazda guy back here.
You right?
I think it's actually a longer name than that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Nice, man.
That was spicy.
Are we bringing back the Verbal Speed 6? Oh man.
Bro, we'll pay Austin. You have a Speed 6.
I do. I could do a beep.
Hey, you got a Speed 3, dude.
Oh yeah.
Nah, that's not happening.
We doing Verbal Tune speeds here? All
Nope.
3 of us? Listen to
Nope.
those pops.
Nope.
Hopefully you can hear them. Anyway, update. It's running great. Right, Brandon?
Yeah, it's running pretty good.
So far.
Basically,
But-
she's a certified ripper.
Certified ripper, but
Yeah.
she ain't gonna get ripped, right?
I gotta
No,
see if
no
it,
rip.
we're gonna have to see if it holds boost with the seals. Make sure I got them good.
Oh, so we have to rip it.
Oh. that mean a little rip?
Yeah.
Oh, like full beans or what? Alright, we're gonna
80 on a cloverleaf?
we're gonna come back when we're doing a full rip.
Fuck that. I mean, screw that.
Come on, man. Watch the
Hey, you
work.
tore down your wheel? Yeah, I fucking blasted it with the impact.
Jeez, dude. There he goes again with the F-bomb.
I freaking blasted it with the impact.
Alright, we'll be back. We'll be back when we're raging. We're about to get a third gear rip going here.
Just a good rip.
I'm ready.
Just a little rip.
Just a little. Oh, snap.
Damn. Wasn't knocking at all.
This thing's running real good. Real good.
Nice.
Well, we're gonna go back, look over everything.
Damn, she wasn't knocking at all, boys.
Bam. And we're gonna go back and end this thing off because she's running like a champ.
Blows up on the way back.
Yeah, that sucked. We're back. It worked. And
That's my car.
let's just go over everything that got done, Brandon. So you take the lead here because you did pretty much all of it.
Alright.
No, I just talk, and point.
Alright.
Mainly point.
So, first thing we did was take the intake manifold off and clean the valves.
Yep.
Walnut blasted them with the stuff from Cork Sport that they said to do.
Yep.
You can see we didn't lay trash bags, so it kind of got everywhere, but I just blew most of it out.
A little bit of nut in there.
You look down here, added a Damon Motorsports catch can.
Real nice.
It's the, I don't remember the look.
We're picking back up on the iPhone.
Damon Motorsports catch can. Got the Cork Sport injector seals. Yeah, installed those since I was right there.
Good call.
Worth it. And then I got a new PCV valve figured right there.
Good call.
A few bucks, may as well. Didn't do the upgraded plate, just new PCV valve.
That's it, right?
That's it.
All right. Well,
It's a bitch.
it worked. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Anything to say, Brandon?
Nope.
Jackson, what do you got to say, man?
Nope.
Oh, you can't steal his line, man.
You're supposed
What
to
do you-
say, just say yup,
Yup.
and then don't say anything. Yup.
All right. That's the end. Peace out.